Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like the video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and all of that good stuff. And if you stayed with the video to this point, I thank you so much for watching and for all the support that you're giving the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you'll do that today. And make sure you tap that notification bell at least 2 times. That way you'll be notified every time I upload new content. Now there are 3 hosts, or rather a host and 2 co-hosts for this collaboration today. First, the host is Grandma Sandy. Now, if you love fairy gardens, Grandma Sandy is the creator for you. But she also does tablescapes. I love her chit-chat videos. Just a great creator. Please go over and visit Grandma Sandy's channel today. Now, she has two co-hosts. She has Antoinette, and that's Aunt's Place. And Aunt does tons of collaborations and challenges. She has fantastic content. Also, there's Glamour Ellen. Ellen is all about the glamour. She is a glam girl. So again, please go down, find the links to all three of their channels. Make sure you visit the playlist. And you know what I'm going to say. I can't wait to see you, each and every one of you, in the next video. Bye-bye, and thank you for watching.